Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Reels or IGTV on feed your Instagram. Now let's get started. First, you can open your Instagram apps and then you can go to your profile. And after this, if you wanna remove your Instagram TV or Instagram Reels, so you just click on the Instagram TV or Reels that you want to remove at your feeds. Sorry, this one. So you just click on it, and then after this, in here you just click on a three dots icon, and then in here you just click on the remove from profile grid. Okay, and after this you can go back and go to Reels menu, click on it. Okay, and after this, in here you can found the video or the Reels that you has been removed at your profile at your Instagram feed, this one. So that's how to remove Instagram TV or Instagram Reel on the grid feed your Instagram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.